Many am hardly ready, me and the chef in the place. We run the kitchen, me a set the place. When I am to be happy, me make it taste so nice. Me a the man to cook up a spicy curry rice. Yardie belly a medium, come check me radio station. Tuning at the vibes, feel the job creation. Me a cook it up, yeah. Me a steer it in a pot, music and food, the combination.
Hello folks, so today we are making a veggie-centric Mediterranean salad and we're gonna pair it with some semi-homemade chicken wings, yes, that we get from Publix. I promise you guys, this is gonna be an awesome dish. We're using chickpeas as the base and we're pairing it with all these awesome vegetables. Of course, our chicken wings is gonna be bought plain and these are some of the ingredients that we're gonna use to spruce it up. This is all the dressing ingredients here, guys, that we're gonna be using, and it's gonna be an awesome balsamic, oregano, lime-based salad dressing, and it just go really good. Come join us as we take it to another level, veggie-centrically. We're starting by cutting up all our ingredients, and of course, we're gonna be adding them to the chickpeas. It's a relatively easy salad, guys. You cannot lose on this one. Once you have the specifics of the ingredients, you cannot lose. Everything is done in the bowl, and it's gonna work out. So to our chickpeas, we put the onion, we added some tomatoes, and we're dicing up some baby cucumbers. For this one, you can use whatever cucumbers you like. You can use the seeded ones or the seedless ones, the English ones, whatever. We also have some bell peppers or capsicum, and we're using the tricolor bell peppers because we want the aesthetics. We want it to look good. We want it to look nice, all right? So we're using all the different colors, all right? And of course, guys, you want to cut these into relatively bite-sized pieces, and these will make your salad pop. We're also using some Bartlett pears because we wanted that little sweet tang, that little punch of sweet. And so if you wanted to use apples, for instance, you could, but the pears worked well for us. We also had some parsley. We're using flat leaf parsley. You can use the regular size type of parsley. And you want to chop these up, rough chop, and add these as well. Now you're going to start with your dressing. We put in a lemon. Yes, we squeeze one lemon. And we're going to add all that you see here, okay? Or oregano, first thing we wanted to add. Then we also wanted to add our pepper flakes, all right? And again, guys, you have to adjust the seasoning for your taste because you know it got ready. All right, so now we're adding our basil, not basil, our cumin. Yes, we're adding our cumin, and we are adding some salt for taste, and we're just making it nice, And of course, we added some black pepper as well. Black pepper, really nice. Cracked black pepper. Then we're also adding some balsamic glaze. You can use balsamic vinegar, but I find the glaze works a little bit nicer. We're topping it up back with some more lemon. And guess what, guys? We're good to go. So now after tossing this up a little bit, we are going to add some olive oil. Yes, and we want to use a good quality olive oil for this, guys, because it's a salad. You get what I'm saying? So if you can get an extra virgin olive oil to drizzle, that would be perfect. Trust me. Toss again. And of course, we wanted to finish off with our avocado. Yes, the avocado is a gamble, but you want to get some good avocado. Cut up your avocado in your salad. And the reason why we waited for last with the avocado is because we wanted to make sure the lemon was already tossed in so it don't get discolored. All right. And once you have tossed your avocado into your salad, you mix them in, and your salad is ready. You're officially ready. Now you want to put this down and make it just marinate for a little bit. You can't eat it right away now, but marinating it does make the flavors gel, amalgamate, and fix nice. Let's start on our wings. We had some wings from our local supermarket, and we just simply had our different type of dressing or our sauce that we added to it. Same principle like the big wings stop on the other store them. Same principle. You understand? But we use two different sauce. We use a Japanese barbecue and we use some lemon pepper. It really worked, guys. Trust me. Here is the finished product. Yes, you want to plate up your salad nicely in a nice bowl. You want to finish up with another drizzle of olive oil if you so choose. And guys, I can't tell you how delicious this turned out. It was awesome. Here is the wings. Yes, all plated and nice. And it's a regular weeknight dinner. Without no rice, without no extra carbs. You're good to go. Yes, trust me. This awesome Mediterranean salad is just what you need for an evening when you decide that you want to go veggie-centric. Yardie TV, drop this one in your palate for your taste buds to go woo! Have the wings, yes, done two different style, lemon pepper with a nice tropical hot pepper sauce, and of course Japanese barbecue style. The wings, them, oh my god, it's just so ostentatious. This is what you call hot cuisine. Hot cuisine. Of course, guys, you caught us on our weekly live every Tuesday on TikTok at around 5 p.m. and on Thursdays on YouTube at around 5 p.m. as well. That's why here we are going. So, but guys, this was a delicious dish, a very, very easy, very healthy way of cooking a regular weeknight meal. Guys, try it in your neck of the woods now. Remember to like, share, and subscribe Yardie TV. We are here. We're doing it. And check out all our shorts and all other posts.